In this video, I'm breaking down 7 editing techniques that instantly boost your content. Everything you will see is made inside of CapCut. They are simple and it works. You don't need any advanced skills. Starting from stage light effect that will make your shot look cinematic, text highlight effect, which makes your viewer read every word, progress bar animation, how to blur face clearly, and also how to change color of any object without ruining the shot. So if you care about improving your content, keep watching, because at the end of this video, your edit will never remain the same. First thing, drag and drop your video to the timeline. You're going to head over to your library. After heading to your library, you're going to drop a black background to your video file. You're going to stretch it to be the same length to your video. Go to basic, then you're going to drop the opacity to about 75 to 80. After decreasing the opacity, select the blank background and head over to mask, then add mask. You're going to select the circle mask option. After selecting the circle mask option, make sure to scroll down a bit and click on reverse to reverse it. So once you reverse it, you're going to have something like this. Then you're going to increase the feather slightly to soften the edges to also give it that natural look. Move your playhead to the beginning of the blank background and drop a keyframe. Next thing you're going to do is adjust the position of the circle so it follows the character's face. Each time you move the mask, a new keyframe will be automatically added, making the light appear to track the character smoothly. Repeat the movement till the end of the video and you're done.
CapCut's desktop video editor blends AI power and professionalism.
So the first thing we're going to do is click on add text, and then you're going to type in 3 dashes. Change the color of the dash to yellow. That is because I want the color of my text highlights to be yellow. If you want the color of your text highlight to be red, you can change the color of the dash to red. Scroll down a bit and I'm going to turn off the uniform scale. After turning the uniform scale off, set the width to around 300 and the height to about 450. When you are happy with the size of the line, you are going to create a compound clip. Right click on the text file and select the create compound clip option. Now go to the mask section, choose split mask. Rotate the mask to -90 degrees. Then drag the mask to sit at the very beginning of the line. Scroll down and add a mark setting keyframe. Now you are going to move a few frames forward and then you are going to drag the mask across the line. And when you play it back,
CapCut's desktop
the line
video editor
nicely
blends
reveals
AI
itself.
power and professionalism.
You should know that if you want the highlight to come faster, you are going to move the keyframe close to each other. And if you want the movement to be slower, you are going to spread the keyframes apart. Now, the second line, start exactly where the playhead is. Hold the Alt key from the keyboard. Click on the clip and then drag it upward to create a duplicate copy of it.
Script to video, auto reframe, and auto captions streamline your work.
To adjust the new line, go to basic and turn off the uniform scale. Then you can increase the width of our new line, our second line of our text highlight to match your desired length. You can do the same thing for the other highlight. Just duplicate the previous one and make any changes you want so that you don't have to start from scratch. Adjust anything you need, the text, the color, the timing. You can do this for the remaining highlight until everything matches your style. Now, we are going to create a compound clip, but first, trim your highlight clip so that they match the length of your main clip. With all the text highlights selected, right click to create a compound clip. With the compound clip selected, go to basic and then you are going to change the blend mode to multiply. Start by clicking on add text. then erase the default text. Then you are going to enter any keyword of your choice. So here, after entering your title, you can format the text to your liking. Make it bold, use a bold font style. I'm going to use Area Black for this video. So next, we are going to mask our video. And before we do that, we want to create compound clip. Right click on the video from the timeline and select the create compound clip option to create a compound clip. Now this will make it easy for us to animate and for us to use the masking option on it because it's already a video file. Click on mask, add mask, then select the circle mask option, then resize it as you see on the screen. Place the mask at the beginning of the text. Reduce the size of the mask so it will reveal only small portion of the text, then increase the fader. Now let's animate the cycle. Take your playhead to the beginning of the clip and drop a keyframe on mark settings, then move few frames forward and you move the cycle as you see on the screen. I'll be fast with this remaining procedure because it's pretty much the same thing. You drop a keyframe, move few frames forward and change the position of the mask to create that smooth keyframe movement. On the last keyframe, move the marks to the middle of the text. It will drop a keyframe. Then you are going to increase the circle to reveal the text inside of it. Now this is a bonus tip for you. In order to make the keyframe movement smooth, select all the keyframe and right click, then select show all presets. And you are going to tap on the ease in preset for smooth and natural keyframe movement. Tap on add text and delete the default text option. After deleting the default text option, type in 2 dashes like this. Now scroll down a bit and turn off the uniform scale. This gives you full control over the size. That is to say, if the uniform scale is not turned off, any changes you made to the height will affect the width. So that's the reason why we're turning it off. So after turning it off, set the width to 500 and the height to around 450 or whatever looks good for your video. Next, stretch the length of your text layer to match your clip or to match the desired duration of your progress bar animation. And the next thing we are going to do, we are going to duplicate the text layer into 2. So to do that, you can hold down the Alt key and then you drag the text layer upward to create a duplicate copy. For the bottom layer, change the color to blue or whatever you want the progress bar to be, the color of the progress bar to be. Then on the top layer, you're going to change the color to green. Scroll down again and add stroke. So after adding the stroke, you are going to change the color to any color you want, but for the sake of this video, I'm going to use white. Yes, I'm going to use white. So after changing the color to white, drop the thickness to about 8 or 10 to give that clean and sharp look. Now select the first text layer and press Alt plus G from your keyboard to create a compound clip. Do the same for the second one. Each text layer should have its own compound clip. So now the next thing we are going to do is we are going to remove the green background. Go to video, remove BG, then under chroma key you are going to use the color picker. Then you are going to select the green color. So after selecting the green color, you are going to increase the intensity to remove it. So now the next thing we are going to do, we are going to mask our video. To do that, go to mask, then tap on add mask. Then you're going to select the split option. So after selecting the split option, you're going to rotate it like this. As you see, the rotation is minus 90 degrees. So after rotating it, you're going to take the white line to the beginning of the bar. So after taking it to the beginning of the bar, you are also going to take your playhead to the beginning of your clip. Then you are going to drop a keyframe. After dropping the keyframe, you are going to move the playhead to the engine of the clip, and then you are going to move the white line alongside it, just as you see on the screen. Finally, select both layers, right click and hit create compound clip. With that, you've just merged the two clips together, and that makes it easy for us to position the progress bar anywhere around the video. First things first, make sure you have your logo imported to CapCut. Click on the plus sign to add it to the timeline. Next, we will go ahead and remove the background. Click on remove BG. Then choose the auto remover. CapCut does a pretty good job with this, clearing out the background so quickly. Press Ctrl plus C to copy the video and Ctrl plus V to paste the video on top of each other. Now that our video clip is duplicated, the top layer is where all the magic happens. With the top video layer selected, navigate to adjust. Then scroll down a little bit. Turn the saturation all the way down to 0. Increase the exposure to 100, contrast to 100, white to 100, and brilliance also to 100. The top video layer selected, go to basic, tap on mask, tap add mask, then select the second option, which says the film strip option. Now we're going to resize the film strip as you see on the screen, making a narrow and vertical line. Increase the feather a bit to give it that natural glow rather than just harsh edge. Now let's animate the strip using keyframe. On the top video layer, make sure the playhead is at the beginning of the clip. Then drop a keyframe on position. Now move your playhead few frames forward. Then drag the strip completely across the video from one side to the other, and a fresh keyframe will be added automatically. Next, move your playhead few frames forward, drop a keyframe to lock the setting. Then you move few frames forward again, and then you repeat the movement to the opposite direction. The next thing you have to do is export your video and have your light sweep effect. Click to drag and drop your video to the timeline. After dragging it to the timeline, go to the effect. You are going to search for mosaic. You should note that either mosaic or blur can work for this, whichever one you want to use. But we're going to be applying the first mosaic, as the second one is for pro users. Then you're going to increase the length of the effect to be the same with the length of your video. Stretch it like this, so that the mosaic effect will be the same with the length of your video. With the effect selected, go to mask. Then you are going to select circle mask. After selecting the circle, resize it to fit perfectly over the face you want to blur. Next, drop a keyframe at the start of the effect. As the character moves, adjust the circle's position to follow the face, and a new keyframe will be automatically added each time you move it. Now, repeat the circle's movement to match the character's face all the way to the end of the video. Once you are done, export and you are good to go. Click on the plus sign to add the image or the video to the timeline. Then go to adjust. Scroll down to saturation. Turn it all the way down to 0. And the next thing we're going to do is tap on add text. Then click to add text. Then erase the default text. After erasing the default text, we are going to add 2 hyphens, just as you see on the screen. After adding the hyphen, we are going to position it on the center of the image. Then the next thing we are going to do is change the color. Here, if you want to use red, you can change the color of the hyphen to red. If you want to use green, any color at all. Because I'm using red, I'm going to change the color of the hyphen to red for this video. After changing it to red, scroll down a bit and turn uniform scale off. This gives you access to increase the height and the width individually. So you're going to increase the height to cover the screen and also the width to cover the screen. Anyhow you want to increase it, try and make sure that it covers the whole screen. Then next we are going to create a compound clip. Press Alt plus G to create a compound clip. Go to the blend mode and set it to overlay. Now you can see that the changes also affect the background. The background was previously white, but now it's mixed with red. Let me show you how to remove it. Go to media upload and drag the original video on top of the compound clip we created. Then go to remove background. Select the chroma key option. Then you will use the color picker to select the green color. After selecting the green color, we are going to increase the intensity significantly to remove the green color completely. Then the next thing we are going to do is go to adjust, then scroll down to saturation and increase it. To spice things up, click on HSL, select the red color and still increase the saturation to make the color more brighter.